Ako po yung reporter ng Bureau of Customs number 11. Ang functional groups of the BOC, International Administration Group, IEG. The IEG has headed by a Deputy Customs who shall have direct control and supervision over Financial Management Office and the Administration Office, including the officers, then shall have following function. A. Assess the Commissioner of Customs in the function of politics and the setting up of object relative to financial, administrative, personnel planning and management. B. Improve or sign rebel order of central office personnel and or finance personnel in the outputs who have official transaction at the centered office upon the commendation of district collectors considered. C. Approve application of central office personnel for vacation sick and material leave with or without pay for period access of 80 days but not beyond 1 year as required by existing rules and regulation. D. Reference and commissioner in meeting and conference which have relevance to his or her scope of jurisdiction. E. Sign memorandum, circulars and other publication for general circulation. F. Sign application of central office personnel for business outside office hours. G. Review official communication and documents relevant internal administration for the signature of the commissioner and H. Performance such appreciate function consistent with the assigned the task or the group and others which may be given the commissioner. Ito po yung mga the financial management of the FAO is headed by a customs service chief who taking change with the financial management, fiscal matters and all others function relative to financial transaction of the Bureau. Revenue Collection Monitoring Group, RCMG. The RCMG is headed by a Deputy Commissioner who shall have direct control and supervision over the legal service, the collection, service and financial service, including the officers then shall have the following function: A. Maintain and update accounting for all customers' revenue collected. B. Administer legal recruitment of the Bureau of Customs to include legalization and prosecution of cases. C. Provide the Commission of Customs with accurate and timely information analysis of collection statistics. And D. Conduct accounting audit or liquidated interest and outstanding bonds. And E. Perform such other appropriate function consistent with the assigned task of the group and others which may be given by the Commissioner. And the collection service CS headed by a Customs Service Chief and shall be have direct control service over the collection, perform evaluation, division, liquidation and assessment, audit division and beyond audit division. The legal service LS is headed by Customs Service and Chief and shall have a direct control and supervision, and the applicate and division, the rolling search division, prosecution and legalization division, and tax expense division. The financial service of FS is headed by a Customs Service Chief and shall have direct control and supervision over the venue according division RAD and the statistical analysis division SAD. The assessment and operation according group AOCG. The AOCG is headed by the Deputy Commissioner who shall have direct control and supervision over the imports and assessment service. IAS and Ports Operation Service POS, including the service then shall have the following function: the function regularity, gather and upon approval and Commissioner publish values commendates and imported into the Philippines, such values being the basis of the computation of customs duties and other revenues. D. Monitor for decision-making purpose and implementation of rules and regulation. Monitoring action and disposal active together with for airport operation relate actives for decision making purposes. D. Perform other appropriate function consistent with assess as of group which may given the commissioner. The commissioner intelligence group CIG. The CIG is headed by a deputy commission who shall have direct control and supervision over the intelligence and investigation service including office and shall have the following function: regularity and consistently gather intelligence information relate to custom and economic activities for proper dissemination to custom office concerned. D. Conduct internal equity and investigation which may serve as the basis for prosecution, and C. Perform such other improved functions consistent with assigned tasks or of the group and other which may be given by the commissioner. The Intelligence and Investigation Service IIS is a headed customs service chief shall have direct supervision and control over intelligence division ID and investigation and prosecution division IPD and internal inquiry and prosecute division IIPD, the intellectual property rights division IPRD, and the Waste Adult Monitoring until WAMOU. 5. Customs Enforcement Group CEG. The CEG headed by a deputy commissioner who shall have direct control and supervision over the enforcement and service ESS, including officers, then shall have the following function: A. Exercise police order conferred the vision of RA No. 143 Traffic Customs Code as annotated, or the laws which include the enforcement of secrets and for things and the imposition of planets and fitness, and they perform such other improved function consistent with the assigned tasks of the group and others which may be given the commissioner. The Enforcement and Security Service ESS and headed by a customer service chief and shall have direct supervision and control over the customer police division, water patrol division, and radio mini